Greetings everyone, my name is Mike Sakaris. I'm the Director of Sales for Centrotherm in US and Canada. Welcome to the Albany facility. We would like to take you on a virtual tour.
Beginning the humble journey as plastic granulate, Inaflu polypropylene vents start here on the Centrotherm factory floor, our ISO certified facility located in New York's capital, Albany. Gaylords of virgin polypropylene come in and travel through one of our 2 extrusion lines. We've got cutting-edge technology shaping both our single wall and flexible vents on our factory floor. As the plastic travels through the extruder, it's heated, shaped, melted, cut, labeled, and our belling machine molds our patented socket and adds the gasket. Other components require a wide variety of processes, skillfully handled by our growing manufacturing team. With a focus on 5S principles and continuous improvement, our team regularly breaks their own production records and sets the industry standard for lead time. Each stage of manufacturing stems from the work done by our team of engineers who tirelessly work to create and test new products, only taking short breaks to play with a 3D printer. Our CNC machine precisely shapes and cuts highly intricate components, and mirror, spin, and wire welding, fabrication, and assembly all take place at our hand tooling stations. After each component is properly checked for quality and labeled for shipment, it's off to the warehouse and logistics center. Centrotherm's 40,000 square foot warehouse holds all of our single wall, flex, concentric, blitz flex, and air excellent components, where our team of pickers and packers set up all of our orders to ship. Our state-of-the-art 4K eye in the sky verifies the accuracy of each order as it's packaged and ultimately loaded for outbound trucks and delivery to you and your customers. Along with our customer service, inside sales, finance, and management teams located just up the stairs, the Centrotherm manufacturing facility is where the magic happens. What starts as little plastic beads coming in by the ton goes out an engineered system shipped to our partners throughout North America. Every team member plays their role in helping see this process through efficiently and professionally. As you've seen, welders, machine operators, extrusion experts, engineers, material handlers, and more combine to help make Centrotherm what it is, a progressive industry leader providing best-in-class products.